Yep, that's what we're listening to. So cool. We are on our way to collect my brother from the airport. So, hello. Are you dancing in the background? That girl's scary. It's because I love this song so much. I've heard it in ages. Yes, so we're going to Gatwick. Tired. It's not even well, it is kind of early. It's almost 11 o'clock. This flight doesn't get here until about 12. So. This is my mum's iPod, by the way.
But you have it on yours too.
It's good fun, I do. Been thrown out of the car. Goodness me. Just so she can get in the car, get in a space. She's like, you two have to get out. And then we were taking too long. We were like 5 seconds. And she's like, just get out of the car. Airports. It just looks feel like
that was a nice journey. The last time I was going to Gatwick was when I went on holiday, and like you care, people. Yeah. And the journey was
horrible. Bye.
I don't know. There's traffic, and there was like a 2-hour journey for. What? Well, this took us like 40 minutes.
We're half an hour early.
I'm just gonna be like waving.
We're gonna sit around for half an hour. Ooh. Ha, Costa. Starbucks. Okay.
When you walk fast, you're like walking faster than the speed of light.
I'm going backwards, this isn't good.
Ready.
Oh god, don't run. What's do? Oh, this looks like... Oh. Hi.
Hello.
Is it cold?
Yeah. I hate people. Especially chavvy ones.
Stereotypes. My shadow is just completely blocking
and children.
Yeah.
Come near me and you're one of those people.
Who just said that?
I don't know, that's what it sounded like you said.
It's so cute. It looks like, I was just trying to say before, until someone walked into my shot.
Yeah.
Not you. This looks like some kind of rituals going on.
Yeah. Oh, no.
It just looks like a glowing light. Don't go on. I messed that up.
Burn the jabs.
No.
Warning, those who suffer from epilepsy, do not watch this video.
Oh. They're so pretty! They're behind the tree! One moment.
I saw the night of them.
Yeah, they didn't really think it through, did they? It's impressed.
I like it. I don't like children, but I like this.
Gotta get that boom. 3.
Yeah, the tree must have a perfect view.
Yeah, it's so pretty! Wow.
It doesn't smell very nice anymore.
Oh my god.
It smells like someone's farted in flame. I don't know where to put the camera!
Ooh, ah! That's how the audience reacts. Poor little hand. That's loud. My eardrum.
Like smells. It smells like poo.
Oh my god.
Never see the day where I clap for fireworks.
It's just really hurt my ears.
They was well sick, yeah.
As so said by some people behind us, we're going to go now because we're in a mob and if we don't, okay. It's really, really, not, what's the word? It's really
Unsteady. Unstable.
So I'm kind of like walking like a drunk person and you're holding it from my chin.
Because it's unstable, like my face.
And this is the havoc after.
Not just Ali, oh my god.
Filming me.
There are a lot of cars and a lot of people.
Oh, please.
New train! New train! New train! New train! New train! New train!